Alright guys, so I am no minimalist whatsoever, but I recently was on Pinterest and I happened to stumble across this pin that I put on there almost 2 years ago, and I will put a screenshot up right here of what it is, but basically it's titled 60 Things to Toss Out in the Next 60 Days. We don't have 60 days. I just feel like my life is so busied up, and there's nothing wrong with being busy, but there's good types of busy and there's bad types of busy, and I think that all of the clutter in my apartment is a bad type of busy. I have a trash bag with me here today. We're going to be throwing out things and donating other things that I find based on this list. Also, do you like this vintage iPad? This is like circa 2011. Okay, let's get started. The longer I look at this list, the more I'm starting to realize why they say do it in 60 days, because this is a lot to go through. I see things that I do and do not have. I'm a little worried about what's to come. I don't even want to think about the money I spent on all these things, but let's just get started. Enough procrastinating. Okay, so we're getting to know each other very well. This is my bathroom. So right off the bat, I'm seeing this thing I bought for my friend's wedding like literally 2 years ago. It's Fenty Beauty. It's supposed to like be for contouring and stuff, and I never used it, but I kept it for so long because it's like this fancy brand. I bought it in such a rush thinking that it would be able to help make my face look skinnier for this wedding. I don't know who I was trying to fool. My face has been and will always be chubby. This is going in the garbage. Another weakness of mine is constantly thinking that I'm gonna be the type of girl that wears lip gloss. They're like all the same color. They're like all variants of the same color, which is really embarrassing. Into the garbage they go. I'm just gonna toss this. I don't wear eyeliner enough to justify having 2 in my bathroom. I literally have like 15 pairs of tweezers. Like, why do I need so many tweezers? And also I have like a bunch of free samples of dental floss that I've gotten from my dentist over the years. This is just gross. Honestly, these packets of floss are covered in dust. That's gross. This is the cleaning moment I've been most afraid of because I have so many drugs in here. That is over-the-counter drugs, people, not illegal drugs. Don't do drugs. I just went through my medicine cabinet, and not all of this is going to be trash. Like, you don't want to just throw away everything useful, but like, I have so much sunscreen because every summer I'm like, oh, I need sunscreen, and I buy it and I wear it once, and then the next summer comes around and then I buy another sunscreen. So SPF 50, just I ain't about that life, so we're gonna toss that. Like, these dumb little samples of things that I've gotten over the years that I just never am going to use, and you know, things I've used like maybe once. Let's just get started digging through this, and I'm going to show you guys the after. So before and after. Okay, that transition was probably terrible, but look, I fit it all into one box in this one bag, and then just, you know, feminine hygiene. You're not going to be able to see it all, but I have quite a lot of nail polish. I'm just gonna get rid of some of this cheap stuff. Ask me why I have 2 of the same. All right, let's look at the results. Here we have the nail polish that I will be keeping, and then the nail polish I will be getting rid of. Not too shabby. So number 42 on the list is any hair accessories you have multiples of. People who know me personally in real life know I wear a lot of hair accessories, specifically like bandanas and stuff. It's all sitting in front of me right now, and I just want to say I'm not proud. I'll let you guys do the counting of the number of headbands and bandanas that I own. There are a lot of these things that I haven't worn in years, a lot of things that are so stretched out now that just don't fit my head. I used to wear hair extensions. I'm not embarrassed of it because so many people do nowadays and they just lie. But these are my old hair extensions. They're pretty gross at this point. I'm just going to toss them. It's time to go. Dun 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 dun! Yay! And a nice new clean bag, all organized. No more nasty bandanas and headbands. So that'll go back into my hair bin. I'm starting to feel personally attacked. The next thing I'm gonna do is go through some of my clothing in my closet, especially some of these drawers that you're actually sitting on right now. I'm currently looking for worn out bras and underwear, ragged t-shirts, old jeans, worn out sheets, old school bags, promo t-shirts I never wear. Yeah, you're lying if you say you don't have any of those. All right, I'm overwhelmed. Just went through my underwear and my bra drawer and my sock drawer, and I'm getting rid of all those. So on to my old and worn out t-shirts. As you can see, these drawers are so clogged up that they don't even close all the way. So we've added a few more things to the pile, lots of just like old nasty t-shirts. Let's just finish going through my whole closet because I feel like I have so much more that I have just outgrown in style. I mean, I'm like almost 26 years old. I need to realize I'm not going to be going out that much anymore. I need to have like an adult wardrobe. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of getting bored and I'm kind of getting tired, but I need to keep going because this is why I end up with all this junk. Let me just flip this around somehow and show you guys my throwaway pile, because I would never let anyone put on these gross old clothes. That is my throwaway pile, just gross clothes, old bra liners, I don't even know. This is my giveaway pile. If my parents see this, they're gonna get so mad, but this jacket is really high quality. I wore it many years for college in the snow, so I'm gonna try to see if I can sell it. The rest of these things are still very good clothes, just things that I don't wear anymore. I also forgot I have this old bed sheet that I've had for so long, and it's really gross. It's like has bleach stains all over it, so that's also going to be going in the garbage pile. Also, I just remembered I had some hand towels that I'm going to get rid of. They're old and stained and gross. I see number 22 tarnished jewelry and number 38 candles that have burned out. I just looked up here on my little dresser thingy, and I have two like really low candles that I don't ever burn because I'm afraid of them burning too low. So I'm gonna throw those out. I don't really have that much jewelry, but I do have this little thing that has bracelets and stuff that I almost never wear. Okay, so this is what I'm keeping. Some of this I realized isn't even jewelry. I have like old coins from when I studied abroad, and then like old earrings and a sewing kit. And this is all the junk that I'm just tossing. Like I have this really nice watch, and for some reason I was holding on to this little Casio stopwatch, so. Alright guys, I'm not even gonna lie right now, I'm getting really tired of this and I'm really overwhelmed. Also, I filled up my very first trash bag. Woo! I really need to go through like some of my tools and like craft supplies. Yeah, that's like a whole ordeal. So I just decided that I'm gonna make this into a 2-part video. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I know this is like mostly beauty products and clothes that I just went through, but I hope it inspires you to kind of like be realistic about the things that you're keeping and maybe what's crowding your life that you really need to get rid of at this point. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I know it's not my normal financial videos, but that's not what this channel is all about. I will see you guys very soon with a part 2 of my 2020 cleanup. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.